All right, so if you're in the e-commerce game, you know the deal, right? Finding those killer products is the exciting part. But then comes the grind of actually getting them up into your store. Today, we're going to look at a tool that's built to just completely wipe out that tedious work, the Hustle Got Real manual listing extension.
But before we jump into the solution, let's really set the stage with the problem, something I'm pretty sure you know all too well. I'm talking about the manual listing bottleneck, that slow, painful copy and paste grind.
No, seriously, think about it for a second. How tired are you of that whole dance? Opening a dozen tabs, copying a title, pasting it, saving every single product image to your desktop just to re-upload them one by one, grabbing the description, fighting with the text formatting, and that's all for just one product. It's such a massive time sink.
And let's be real, this isn't just a little annoyance. It's a genuine bottleneck for your business. Every single hour you spend wrestling with the mechanics of listing is an hour you're not spending on finding new products, on marketing, or on helping your customers. It's literally holding you back from being able to scale up.
So what if you could just completely smash through that bottleneck with a single click? Well, that's exactly what we're talking about today. Let's get into the solution, the HGR extension.
So what is this thing exactly? Well, it's a pretty simple but really powerful Chrome browser extension. Its entire purpose in life is to let you find a product on a supplier's website and then, with just one click, grab all of its information and get it ready to publish to your store.
And this is what we're talking about, the Lister by Hustle Got Real. This is the little tool we're focusing on. It's designed to just sit quietly in your browser, out of the way, until that exact moment you find a product you love. Then it becomes your secret weapon for listing products incredibly fast.
Okay, so that all sounds great, but how does it actually work? Let's walk through the whole process, step by step. You're about to see just how ridiculously fast you can get a product from a supplier page into your very own store. We're not talking minutes here, we're talking seconds.
The entire workflow, it really just boils down to 4 super simple steps. You find the product, you click the icon, you make any little edits you want, and then you publish. That is literally it. Let's break each one down.
So picture this. You're browsing around on Amazon or maybe AliExpress, and you find what looks like a real winner. You see that little HGR cube icon up in your browser's toolbar? You just click it. That one single click kicks off this whole process.
And boom, this is where the magic happens. The second you click that button, the extension instantly scans the page and extracts all the important info: the title, the price, the description, all the images, even the different product variations. Everything you would have spent the next 10 minutes copying and pasting yourself.
So that one click pops open this Lister interface, and you'll notice the product tab is already filled out for you. It's automatically grabbed the title, the price, all the variations like different sizes or colors, and it's even suggested a category for your store.
All right, let's click over to the next tab, Description. As you can see, the extension has pulled in the entire product description right from the supplier. Now from here, you have total control. You can tweak the wording, you can rewrite it to match your brand's voice, or you can even use the built-in AI tools to optimize it for SEO.
And now for what is honestly one of the biggest time savers of all, images. No more right-clicking and save image as over and over again. The Images tab automatically scoops up every single product photo from the page, and all you have to do is check the boxes for the ones you want to use.
Okay, so once you've reviewed everything and it's looking good, you've got 2 main choices. You can publish instantly, which sends it directly to your store, making it live for customers right away, or you can save for later. This sends it to a pending list, which is perfect if you want to build up a whole catalog of products and release them on a schedule.
And this is that final, super satisfying click. Once you are happy with everything, you just hit that one big button at the bottom. The product is immediately sent over to your store, either as an active or a pending item. And just like that, you're done.
So we've seen that it's fast and easy, but when is this really the right tool for the job? Let's talk a little bit about strategy and figure out when this manual approach gives you a real competitive advantage.
This method is where you'll really shine, especially when you're out there doing your own deep dive product research. It's absolutely perfect for grabbing those unique niche products that you won't find in some pre-made catalog. We're talking about the hidden gems that are going to make your store stand out. And really, it's for any time you want complete, hands-on control over every single detail, right from the very beginning. All right, so let's bring it all home. What's the big takeaway here? What is the new edge this tool is going to give your dropshipping business? It all really comes down to this. The extension gives you the flexibility to list from pretty much any supported supplier you want. It's incredibly fast, turning minutes of tedious work into just a few seconds. It gives you control, letting you publish now or schedule for later. And it's all seamlessly built right into the web browser you're already using every single day.
So that really just leaves us with one last and pretty exciting question to think about. The whole technical headache of listing products is, well, it's basically gone. So now that you can list almost any product you discover online in a matter of seconds, what kind of unique items are you going to go out and find first?